Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about Microsoft Azure Traffic Manager. In this session, we will learn about what is Azure Traffic Manager, the benefit of Azure Traffic Manager. Then we will have a quick demo of Azure Traffic Manager. The Azure Traffic Manager is a DNS-based traffic load balancer. What are the benefits? Increase application availability. So when there is application down, so it can take automatic failover. Improve application performance. So the traffic manager can redirect to the closest region user located. Performance based. Service maintenance without downtime. So when there is a downtime or maintenance, so it can contact the alternative endpoints while the maintenance in progress. Combine hybrid application. This is very good feature in Azure Traffic Manager because you can bring the applications from external on-prem. So wherever application running in non-Azure endpoints, you can bring them and configure with Azure Traffic Manager. The following traffic managers available in Azure Traffic Manager. They are priority, dated, performance, geographic. What is priority? So you can set priority 1 is a primary. You can put additional multiple backup endpoints. When the priority 1 goes down, it can redirect to second failover. Then the second it goes down, so it can redirect to third. So you can set the priority based. Dated in the sense you can put distributed traffic across a set of endpoints. So you can put evenly the application can be accessed. Performance based in the sense, so when there is a geographic location, so it will redirect to the closest region of user located. Geographic in the sense, you can specify the endpoints with the specific locations. For example, you would like to access the users only located in India, so you can select India location. The user cannot be accessible from apart from India region, Asia region. The location is India. So then, okay, we'll have a quick demo. So I'm going to get a traffic manager profile. So I have already having here because I already accessed it. So I can select traffic manager profile service. It's a traffic manager profile service. I'm going to create a traffic manager profile. TMG test. Just I'm putting friendly name. See here you can select the routing methods, performance, weighted, priority. So I'm going to select the priority method. The resource group. Okay. So I'm go. Okay. The creation in progress. So it will take few minutes to create the traffic manager profile. So then we'll have to add a backup backend points. I have already applications uh, in East US, then West US. Just to checking the applications are running. Okay, my EZ application running from East US. Okay, then another one is from West US. My EZ application running from. Okay, it's stop. Let me go and check. I think it's stop. Just yes, it's stop. Um, so my one of the application running from East US and another one is running from West US. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add this with my traffic manager profile. So just to create a traffic manager profile, then I have to select the endpoints. Add uh, app east 1. So then target location, I'm setting app service. So I'm setting east is the priority 1. Add. So I'm adding east US application as priority 1, west US application as a priority 2. I'm adding another application. app west. I'm setting west yes now. You can see priority to add. So the monitoring status in progress. Once online, we can start access uh, traffic manager profile. So the traffic manager profile is DNS space. So you can see traffic manager DNS name here. Okay. Whether I copied or not. I copied the traffic. So when the user accessing, so the priority method first one is east US. The priority method two is two. So I configured east US application as priority one and west US application as priority two. Okay, let me start use. So the traffic manager link is a front end IP. Backend I have added the my applications as backend. So over the DNS name is TMG test traffic manager. Okay, it's running from east to west. Okay, I am going to stop my primary app. Let me go to my primary app east, right? I stopped my east application. It's running from east to west, right? Traffic manager. So the primary is east to west and secondary is west to west. Let me go back and show you again. See, my primary app east to west stopped. So my second app west to west should be online. Let me go to refresh the page. You can wait for some time. Okay, my second app is running now. So the traffic manager is loaded, working from second app. Okay, I hope this session was very helpful for you. Thank you.